So you go in an A, and then this would be your B, and then that would be your C wave for more of a flat move, right? And let me just kind of get rid of these lines in here, something like that. And now, you know, you're obviously higher than 90%, which is, nice and required for a flat move. You're up in 3 waves. You have an A, you have a B, you have a C in here that, you can start to consider complete. And then, that would be a super aggressive sell-off. Again, it doesn't have to come down all the way back there for a second wave. So let's just kind of be nice to this market and say, okay, maybe 100% of wave A, which is back to about 3,200. Imagine if this happens in cryptos, right? Imagine if, whatever triggers the sell-off with all the institutional investment and with all the mania that's out there right now, with Mike Novogratz going on CNBC and with Pump on Twitter and with, all these guys with, Raul Pal and, everybody, with the MicroStrategy guys, with, whoever it's in this community. It's a lot, tons of people, right? Just being excited about Bitcoin going to the moon. And you're going to get a big old flat in here and everything sells off back to 3,000, right? It's the nature of the market. It could be, it's not going to be funny for a lot of people, I'm sure. But if this pans out, it's something that's going to kind of go down in the history books. So I don't think it's the case, but I cannot dismiss it, for a larger second wave here to happen. And that would be a simple 1, 2, and 5. And then you go to 100,000 and higher. Okay, so just kind of throwing some cold water on this. I hope I didn't disappoint anybody, but just keeping an eye on it. Remember, this B wave can also go higher here, and you still can have a pretty, pretty solid flat happening in there. And depending on how much you sell, it's going to become a regular flat, running flat, or an expanded flat, depending on how deep the C wave travels. So you're never safe in the markets. All right, guys, I'll leave it at that. Have a nice day. I'll see you soon. Bye.